Hi there, Cynthia Gill with FES. I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about the value of bringing FES education when it comes to our recruiting efforts. As a former team leader of 16 years, one of the biggest challenges that I faced was having opportunities, classes that would attract a top 20% agent and then getting that agent in the room. And through FES, we have created a platform that will help you as a team leader and an OP invite your recruits to some really fabulous classes that will definitely bring value. Recently, I had an opportunity of teaching some classes, and recruits were invited and were in the room. What an honor it is to present not just to our amazing agents, but to teach to agents or outside of Keller Williams. And during these classes, many of the recruits went ahead and signed with Keller Williams that day. Wouldn't you love that opportunity to be able to take that heavy lifting off of you and have an amazing agent sit in a classroom where you're talking about value, you're modeling the value, and they're surrounded by agents who are also there to learn and to grow their businesses. So let us help you do that. Give us a chance to talk to you about the value that we bring in helping you grow your market centers. We'd love to spend a few minutes with you doing that. Thanks, everyone.